Are you looking for a hybrid bike? In this video, I will show you the 5 best hybrid bikes based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The 5th product on the list is the Schwinn GTX. Can't choose between all the different types of bikes out there? You need a hybrid, the perfect combination of road bike speed, cruiser comfort, and mountain bike versatility. The men's 700cc Schwinn GTX1 has all that and more, a true multi-sport hybrid that can handle all of your biking needs. It features 21 speed shifters and a rear derailleur for easy, precise gear changes, a suspension fork to smooth out the ride, and strong and light alloy rims for added stability. The front and rear alloy V-brakes provide secure stopping power, and the multi-use tires are perfect for on-road riding or off-road adventures. The 4th product on the list is the Schwinn Network. The Schwinn 700cc Ladies Network bicycle features steel ladies city frame for a comfortable riding position. SR Centaur suspension fork smooths the road. Swept back handlebar W/adjustable stem for upright position. SRAM grip shift twist shifter for fast, easy gear changes. 7 speeds with Shimano TX31 rear derailleur for quick shifts. Promax alloy linear pole brakes stop precisely. SR Centaur alloy 3-piece cranks offer optimum gearing. Enders and rear carrier for clean and convenient city riding. The 3rd product on the list is the Sixthreezero Pave N-Trail. Handling both pavement and hard-packed trails while balancing comfort with performance, the Sixthreezero Pave N-Trail hybrid bike looks good and reduces vibrations with its VibraZorb front suspension. Featuring either a 7-speed or 21-speed Shimano gear system, the women's Pave N-Trail provides options for exercise rides and hilly terrain over trails and grass. Clean and sleek, Pave N-Trail features all black components from top to bottom for a simple yet sophisticated look. Sixthreezero designed the bike for maximum body comfort during moderate adventure or exercise rides without compromising performance. The 2nd product on the list is the Schwinn Discover. Outfitted with a ladies' aluminum city frame with an upright riding position, a Schwinn suspension fork to absorb shock, and a padded saddle with a suspension seat post, the Schwinn Discovery women's comfort bike is ideal for commuting to work or cruising down a leisurely bike path. The bike offers such additional features as 21-speed SRAM grip shifters for fast, easy gear changes, a rear derailleur, and a rear gear carrier. The 1st product on the list is the Sixthreezero EVRYjourney. A classic hybrid cruiser made for maximum comfort, the EVRYjourney women's bike has a low center of gravity and foot-forward design that helps keep your back upright while maintaining proper leg extension for optimal pedaling. With looks made for the beach and the gears to take you everywhere else, the Sixthreezero EVRYjourney is ready for anything from hitting the trails at the crack of dawn to cruising the beach at the dusk. Designed with comfort, ease, and eye-catching style, Sixthreezero bikes offer affordable quality for a vast range of riders. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.